NPV, IRR, iPhone, iPad, and iTouch application calculates NPV and IRR. This application is flexible in the sense the cash flow can occur at any time and cash flow can repeat. And for IRR, the cash flow can actually change sign. So you can have multiple negatives, but there need to be certain number of positives and negatives for the IRR to calculate. And by default and by convention, for NPV, the cash flow starts at period 1, and for IRR, the cash flow starts at period 0. So let's start with an NPV example. And for NPV, the interest rate is carried over. That means if you entered interest rate for the first cash flow, not for the subsequent ones, then that will get carried over. You have the opportunity to enter cash flow interest rate for every cash flow. Let's start with this. 500, interest rate is 5, we added that. Now 700 and interest rate is 6. Cash flow starts at 2.5. Cash flow repeats 5 times. Now we added one more, 800, and is 9 for example. It's not okay, we didn't specify any of that, so by default it will start on the next period. So we added that. So now this is an NPV of 7 cash flow. So we clear all that. Let's start with IRR 1000. We don't have to specify interest. Cash flow, we'll leave it by default, starts at period 0. Then 200, and that starts at period 1. Let's see, 300, period 2, 500, and let's see. Okay, now add one more, 700. We added that, and let's see IRR. Now say we added one more cash flow, negative cash flow. Okay, we are able to calculate. So we add one more. So we adding that. So we are able to calculate. So let's me go through an example where the cash flow starts at odd periods for IRR. Minus 1000 starts at, we added that. Minus 400 starts at 2.5 and repeats 4 times. So okay, now let's add some more. Okay, we need a positive cash flow in this case. Let's see. Okay, see if it works out. Yes. So with this, we just covered NPV and IRR, and the cash flow can occur at any time. By default, for NPV it starts at period 1, and IRR period 0. IRR need to have for IRR the cash flows need to change sign. Thank you very much.